friends, Running Kimono here. So guess what showed up? This guy, which is valid from Thursday the 22nd, the 23rd, and the 24th. So 3 days. It is earn $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend 10. Wow. So just to give you the rules, again, it's that window only. So it starts today, right till the 24th. Go to your digital coupons folder and check. It is always your mileage may vary. So here's the deal, guys. One of my accounts got it, but I've only gotten maybe like 3 of these since the beginning of the year. They are rare, but when they happen, you're basically getting $10 back when you spend $10. You can't use any store register rewards or Walgreens cash or IVCs in concert with this because it will lower down your $10 basket. Yes, you can use manufacturer register rewards, and for the balance, use your debit card. Let's hop right into these deals. So the first one, of course, you need your best friend loaded. This is also of a one-time use. So if it's still floating in your digital coupons folder, it's a one and done. We're going to grab 3 of the Dove body washes. They are $7 a pop. Buy 3, get $5 of Walgreens cash back. I know a lot of you are like, I need to see the stickers. Here they are in the store, whichever flavors you want. And here's the tag. 3, $5 of Walgreens cash. I have 2 of these $2 digital coupons. Please make sure you have them loaded. Here it is, guys. 3 of those body washes is 21 on the nose, subtracting the $2 digital coupons, and then have your 10 back when you spend 10 loaded to your card. You're going to pay 17 with your debit card, get back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, 5 for the weekly promotion. It makes it $2 for the 3 or 66 cents per body wash. Do not use any Walgreens cash with this deal. Okay, the next deal that we have is also really spectacular. I think all the rest of them are money makers. We have $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10, load your friend, and then we're going to grab 3 of the Tresemmes. It's on the same promotion as the Dove of buy 3, get $5 back in Walgreens cash. These are 2 for $12, so for 3 of them, it's going to be 18 on the nose. Load your friend, which is the 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, so 3 of the Tresemmes for 18 on the nose, subtracting the 5 off of 3 digital. Have your booster loaded, which is 10 back when you spend 10. You're paying 13 with your debit card. You're getting back $15 in Walgreens cash, 10 for the booster, and then 5 for the deal. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. Now, if you are into lotions and potions, this is the one for you. We're going to load this guy, $10 back when you spend 10, so make sure you have it. We're going to grab 4 of the $4.49 Vaselines. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. Spend $12, get back 3 in Walgreens cash. Here is the tag. Here's your basket, guys. 4 of these lotions for $4.49. And these are the digital coupons that we're loading, including a $2 off. Then we also have the $1.50 off of 1. And then the last one that we have is a $3.50 off of 2. How very generous is this one? Okay, looking at the math for this, 4 of the Vaseline lotions is $13.47. We have $7 in digital coupons melting off right there. Plus, we have our booster loaded. With your debit card, you're going to pay that $6.47 and get back $13 in Walgreens cash. Remember not to use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. The next deal that we have, if you are a body wash lover, this one is definitely for you. We need our best friend loaded, which is $10 of Walgreens cash when you spend 10. We're going to grab either 2 soft soap or 2 Irish Spring. You choose which one you want. I would grab 2 similar scents as well. They are $4.99. And then when you buy 2, you get back a $5 register reward. Currently, guys, we have a $2 digital coupon, so please make sure you have this guy loaded. At checkout, we're also going to grab a candy to get our basket right to $10 because we are at $9.98 with the 2 body washes, so we're 2 pennies short. Here's the math, guys. 2 of the soft soap, $9.98, 33-cent caramel or a lollipop, whatever you want to grab. For $10.31, we have our $2 digital loaded. Plus that booster, we're paying $7.31 with your debit card, getting back $10 in Walgreens cash, plus a $5 register reward. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, and this is called awesome. Okay, the final deal, if you have a problem like me with Tide Pods, this is definitely the one for you. We're going to have our best friend loaded, 10 back when you spend 10. We're going to grab one of these Tide Pods for $12.99. It's producing 2 register rewards, a 2 and a 3. Hopefully they're still printing, but it's later in the week. You'll have to roll the dice on this one. We'll also have this guy loaded, which is $2 off one of these Tide Pods. Looking at the math for this one, a Tide Pod is $12.99. You have your booster loaded plus that $2 digital. You'll pay $10.99 with your debit card. Then you're getting back $5 in register rewards plus $10 in Walgreens cash. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance. It makes it a free item. Even if you're only getting $2 back, it's still a free item. What a great deal. Before I take off into the beautiful sunset, guys, I will be posting a video later today, which is Thursday the 22nd, about the Dollar General summer clearance event. If you're an avid Dollar General shopper, be on the lookout for that. I found some pretty interesting things that will make a great clearance event. 3 days, starting on Friday, ending on Sunday. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.